Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about limit. The first thing we need to find this one. That means I will put x over n go on here. So this one we need to change this one and this one. And now we have like this. So I will put this one go on here. The next one we have the second formula in here. So this one that is about capital 8, and now we need to transform this one into this one. So that should be like this. And now this one will go in here. So we need to focus on this one. Now we have the second formula in here. So this is about capital 8, this is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. About n, we can put like this. So when n approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. This one you got number 0, 0, 0. And number 1 you got number 0. That means we have 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one we have like this. This one we have the formula. So that should be like this. First derivative of number 1, that is about number 0. This one we have negative number 2x over n squared. This one that is about negative number 7 2x squared over n to the power of 3. About this one, we have like this. Now negative 1 over n squared will go in here. And we got about negative n squared. So in this situation, I will put negative n square multiplied by this one. And we have like this. So when n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to number 0 because this one go to positive infinity. This one go to positive infinity. So this one you got number 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So we just have only 2s over number 1. And we got 2s. So we go back in here. And this one we got 2s. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.